Thai barbecue, grilling like a pro. Thai barbecue, grilling like a pro. If you're a fan of Thai cuisine, then you've surely come across some of their mouth-watering grilled dishes. Thai barbecue is an art that has been mastered over time and is enjoyed by people all over the world. The secret to achieving that perfect smoky, charred flavor lies in the marinade, the cooking technique, and the spices used. The secret to achieving that perfect smoky, charred flavor lies in the marinade, the cooking technique, and the spices used. Here's everything you need to know to grill like a pro and create authentic Thai barbecue at home. Marinades. The key to any good barbecue is a good marinade, and Thai barbecue is no different. A marinade not only infuses flavors into the meat, but it also tenderizes it. There are many marinades that can be used for tea. I barbecue, but the most popular and versatile one is the Thai barbecue sauce. I barbecue, but the most popular and versatile one is the Thai barbecue sauce. To make the sauce, you'll need 1 cup coconut milk, ½ cup cilantro leaves, 4 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon sriracha. Blend all the ingredients in a blender until smooth. Pour the marinade over your chosen meat or vegetables and let it rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or overnight for maximum flavor. Cooking techniques. Mu ping. Mu ping is a popular Thai street food dish made with grilled pork skewers. The key to achieving authentic mu ping is to use a charcoal grill. Charcoal grills give the meat a smokier flavor and a crisp exterior. You can use a gas grill, but your meat won't have the same smoky flavor. Exterior. You can use a gas grill, but your meat won't have the same smoky flavor. To grill the pork skewers, soak the bamboo skewers in water to prevent them from burning. Skewer the pork pieces and place them on a hot grill. Flip the skewers every few minutes until the meat is evenly cooked. In the last minute of cooking, brush the remaining marinade over the pork skewers and let it caramelize and create a crust. Serve with sticky rice and a side of sweet chili sauce. Cooked. In the last minute of cooking, brush the remaining marinade over the pork skewers and let it caramelize and create a crust. Serve with sticky rice and a side of sweet chili sauce. Gai yang. Gai yang is a grilled chicken dish that is ubiquitous in Thailand. The flavor of gai yang comes from the marinade, which typically includes lemongrass, garlic, fish sauce, and coriander. To prepare the chicken, butterfly the chicken and remove the backbone so that it lies flat on the grill. Season the chicken with salt and brush it with the marinade. Grill the chicken over medium heat. Heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, flipping it occasionally until its internal temperature registers at least 75 degrees Celsius. Glaze the chicken with some of the marinade in the last 2 minutes of cooking, let it sizzle.